rear door handle is slightly hidden. Pretty cool. Alright, so this is the top of the line version. Only thing that's missing is the panorama roof. Back here we have the heated seats, very high quality pocket on the both front seats, the USB-C charging outlets are integrated to the front seats. We also have the ventilation outlet, and this jacket holder is quite nicely integrated, and I really love those see-through mesh material headrests. Small little armrest. Yeah, those materials are really nice to touch. They make nice sound. We also have those child seat anchors here. And yeah, the front seat is for my sitting position. I'm 6'1" or 186 centimeters tall. And yeah, I'm slightly snug here, but it'll do. Since this is the top of the line version, the tailgate is electric. And if I'm correct, the cargo area has a capacity of 460 liters, which is very good for the size. And you can also raise the floor of the cargo area. You can put it here. One light here. You have the tire sealant kit, and you can lower the backrests here. It's a short car, so you don't need to put any levers here. Subwoofer, if I'm correct, yes. Comfort access, I don't know if you saw it. You have this pretty cool table here. You can chop your onions here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And yeah, since this is the top of the line version, we also have the ventilated seats, and if I'm correct, every trim comes with heated steering wheel and also the heated front seats. And there's also memory settings for the driver's seat. quickly wrap up the driving part, the handling characteristics part. And short answer is, despite being a front-wheel drive vehicle, it's really confidence inspiring. I know it's a cliche phrase, but yeah, to quickly summarize it, it really is super enjoyable, super fun, and really confidence inspiring. So yeah, I would say I was like a little bit worried and a little bit surprised that the EV3 is front wheel drive, but now after I have experienced it, it's definitely not a deal breaker. So yeah, for a front wheel drive vehicle, it's super fun, really fun. It's like kind of Mazda levels of fun. The steering is really direct, really quick, and the steering wheel is really light. On the downside, the steering feels a little bit disconnected. I think the reason is they need to control this torque steer, so that's the reason, I'm pretty sure. Talking about the torque steer, let's check out the acceleration. So yeah, I have the car in the sport mode, and let's just hit it. Zero torque steer, zero. And yeah, it's really gradual. It's not gonna hit you in the back or something, but yeah, it's really nice. Let's quickly do another one. this price point. There are some wind noise, but it's manageable. You can deal with it. But in the city, it's really, really quiet, and you're like super isolated from the environment. Despite being a front-wheel drive vehicle, the understeer is really nicely controlled. So there is like slight understeer, but it doesn't bother at all. Train is coming, which is really convenient for me.